If you want to learn quick and easy ways to solve math problems, please like and subscribe to my channel. Previously, we were able to use 4 easy and different ways to add integers. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch the video on the addition of integers. Now, the objective of this vlog is to show you 3 easy and different ways to help you subtract integers. The first way of subtracting integers is by the use of the rule adding the opposite. This means that you are going to add, take note, add the minuend to the opposite of the subtrahend. So, if your subtrahend is negative, make it positive, and vice versa. It is also important to keep in mind what you have learned in adding integers. Let's have these examples. Our first example is 6 minus negative 4. 6 is our minuend and negative 4 is our subtrahend. Now, let's add the minuend to the opposite of the subtrahend, which is positive 4. That will give us the sum of positive 10. Negative 5 minus 3 is our second example, and 3 is our subtrahend. Now, let's add the minuend to the opposite of the subtrahend, which is negative 3. That will give us the sum of negative 8. Let's have our example number 3. Negative 1 minus negative 9 becomes negative 1 plus 9 equals positive 8. Our last example, negative 8 minus negative 7. Let's add the opposite. Negative 8 plus positive 7 equals negative 1. The second way is by the use of number line. Subtract a positive. Move to the left. Why is this so? Consider this. What happens when you subtract the positive thing you do? You are becoming worse because you are moving in a wrong direction, right? You are moving towards the left. On the other hand, subtracting a negative means you are becoming better because you are moving in a right path. You are moving towards the right. Let's have these examples. Let's have our example number 1. 5 minus positive 7. We are subtracting a positive here. So, from 5, we move 7 to the left. And we end up at negative 2, which is the answer. Number 2, negative 1 minus negative 4. We are subtracting a negative here. So, from negative 1, we move 4 to the right, and we end up at positive 3, which is the answer. Number 3. From negative 3, we move 6 to the left. And we end up at negative 9, which is the answer. And our last example is, from negative 7, we move 10 to the right, and we end up at positive 3. For our third way, we will use algebraic tiles. Using algebraic tiles, it is necessary to keep in mind the concept of additive inverses or zero pair. Let's have these examples. Please take note, one green tile is equal to positive 1. One red tile is equal to negative 1. And a pair of one red and green represents our additive inverses or zero pair. In addition, adding a zero pair to an expression will not change its value. Let's have 5 minus 2. 5 can be represented by 5 green tiles less 2 green tiles equals 3 green tiles or positive 3. Let's have 5 minus 2 again, but this time, we will have to use the zero pair concept. Let's represent 5 with 5 green tiles. And let's have 2 zero pairs. Minus 2 means eliminating 2 green tiles from the pairs. As you can see, what will be left is 5 green tiles and 2 red tiles. Furthermore, pairing these 2 red tiles with the 2 green tiles will result in a zero value, and there will be 3 green tiles left without pairs, equivalent to positive 3. Let's have negative 1 minus 3. One red tile represents negative 1. And let's have 3 zero pairs. Minus 3 means eliminating 3 green tiles from the pairs. As you can see, what will be left is 4 red tiles equivalent to negative 4. Let's have 3 minus negative 4. 3 green tiles represent 3. And let's have 4 zero pairs. Minus -4 means eliminating 4 red tiles from the pairs. What will be left is 7 green tiles equivalent to +7. 5 minus -6. We will have 5 green tiles represent 5 and 6 zero pairs. -6 means eliminating 6 red tiles from the pairs, resulting to 11 green tiles equivalent to +11. To sum up, we were able to demonstrate how to subtract integers by adding the opposite. Second, using the number line. And third, by the use of algebraic tiles. For your activity, try to use the 3 strategy in subtracting -5 from -2. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel, and please don't hesitate to place your comments and questions in the comment field. God bless!